The iPhone 16 series, released in September 2024, offers a range of models with varying specifications. Here's a detailed overview of their key features. 1. Camera system. iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Main camera, 48-megapixel fusion camera with a faster quad-pixel sensor. Main camera, 48-megapixel fusion camera with advanced computational photography features. Ultra-wide camera, enhanced 12-megapixel lens with improved low-light performance. Telephoto camera, periscope lens offering up to 5x optical zoom for detailed close-ups. 2. Battery life. iPhone 16, equipped with a 3,561 mAh battery, providing up to 22 hours of video playback. Phone Arena. iPhone 16 Plus, features a larger battery, offering up to 27 hours of video playback. iPhone 16 Pro, includes a high-capacity battery, delivering up to 23 hours of video playback. iPhone 16 Pro Max, boasts the largest battery in the lineup, supporting up to 29 hours of video playback. 3. RAM and storage. RAM. All iPhone 16 models are equipped with 8 GB of RAM, enhancing multitasking and AI-driven features. Simply Mac. Storage options. iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, available in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB storage capacities. iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, offered in 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB options, catering to users with extensive storage needs. 4. Processor, CPU. iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, powered by the A18 chip, featuring a new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, and a 16-core neural engine for advanced AI tasks. Apple. iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, utilize the A18 Pro chip, offering enhanced performance with a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, optimized for demanding applications and games. 5. Charging and connector type. Charging. Wired charging, supports fast charging via USB-C, capable of charging up to 50% in around 30 minutes with a 20W adapter or higher. Apple. Wireless charging, compatible with MagSafe wireless charging up to 25W with a 30W adapter or higher, and Qi 2 wireless charging up to 15W. Connector type, all models have transitioned to a USB-C port, aligning with industry standards and enhancing compatibility with a wide range of accessories.